If exhaust notes count, the 2017 Chevrolet SS sings one hell of a swan song. Whether it's the wild crescendo as the LS3 moves toward the 6,600 revolutions per minute redline, or the pops and snaps that explode like a pack of mishandled firecrackers when you back off the throttle, the SS is a car that is full of sensory excitement, a sharp contrast to its rather conservative appearance. Before continue, please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you. And this Australian import with an American heart is dead. This is our eulogy. The basics have been covered. The SS, like the Pontiac G8 before it, is a full-size rear-wheel drive sedan based on a Holden Commodore. Holden is an Australian division of GM, and the Commodore, SS, and Pontiac G8 were all built in Oz. GM is closing up shop in Australia and moving production elsewhere. The Commodore is transitioning to a new, front-drive platform to be built in some faraway factory. The final SS has already rolled off the assembly line. There is no replacement coming. From the beginning, it was clear the SS was going to serve a niche audience. The car starts at $48,620, not cheap by any definition. It comes equipped with leather, heated seats, automatic climate control, keyless entry and everything else you would expect from a car at this price point. Options were few. There's a no-cost manual, a $500 full-size spare, and a $900 power sunroof. That's it. There's no V6 model and no stripper meant for rental fleets.